This is my quick review for the Four Candies Water Drop Crayons. So they're a pack of 12 for 3-year-old and plus, more than, 3-year-olds or older. So yeah, so let's demonstrate them. So I haven't tried them yet, so I'm looking forward to doing them here in the video. So I like them because they're like in a drop shape, as you can see. I like the little design that they have. So they're small, light. Then just grab them, and then it's a little tricky because I'm holding my phone. And then that's just how they look when you color. So they look very nice. I think for little kids, they're really going to enjoy it because it's easy for them to grasp. Sometimes kids have a hard time grabbing pencils, crayons, anything with a grip. So this is easier for them to grab and grab it like this, or they just want to grab it like this, and then you can just color that way. So that's how it looks. So it's nice, and it's basically, what's cool about it is that the crayon is all over. So you can literally use it on the bottom, it works. You can do it on the side. So that's cool. So unlike a regular crayon, where it's just kind of like the point, the whole thing you can use it to color. So, and it's pretty sturdy, solid. So yeah. So of course with use it'll get smaller, but overall I like it. It has all the basic colors, and hope you check it out.